What's up? Welcome back, everybody. So the sun's finally going down here, so it's starting to cool off. It was like 100 degrees today, but now it's finally cool enough to come outside and play with the cars a little bit. I've been collecting some materials to work on the course here. I'm going to start building into the hillside. Before breaking any ground, though, I want to take some pictures and take it into Photoshop and kind of create a layout, come up with a list of features that we want to have on the course here, and create it all kind of as a digital sketch. Okay, so we need to start out by making sure we have a path down to the garage and my mother-in-law's casita. So kind of build around that, then lay out the general flow. But this is going to be a pretty loose design. We're going to have to flex and change stuff a lot as we go, and we actually start building. We need to have some real big rock sections. That's going to be a bulk of the course. But we want to keep some sand sections too. It's pretty fun, kind of slippy going uphill, and then a bridge. You always have to have a cool bridge in your crawler course. And then definitely want to keep some of the natural dried grass around it. To scale, it looks really big and tall and cool. Then some gravel sections to kind of emulate mud pits, and then using the green to kind of draw in some carved out edges that won't really be drivable. And let's see what we can actually build. All right, so we finally got some cloud cover. So I'm going to do a little update on the course here. Starting down here, we got the log obstacle. This area right here is going to be filled with rocks, but I haven't laid these out yet. I got this concrete obstacle that I made that I put some dinosaur fossils into. I'm going to do a whole nother video on how to make one of those later. This was a practice, so in a couple weeks I'm going to make another one that goes with this, has more dinosaurs in it, and go step by step on how to make it. It's cool because it's portable, so you can adjust it and move things around, tilt it, make it steeper. Okay, so then going up here, this is the first rock obstacle that I made. Just pieced things together out of rocks, and then filled it with gravel and small rocks, and then sand, and then hosed it down. The water really packs everything in tight. You fill in these deep grooves between the rocks, and just almost holds it together like concrete. And down here, oops, not completely like concrete. Down here, a little car that I customized. I got a thrift store for 69 cents. I can go into that in another video. Then you can see the spare tire from that. And then I found these little dinosaur fossils and a little tiny cactus. It kind of makes the whole thing feel a little more scale. This is where the bridge is gonna come off of, and then connect over there underneath this yucca plant. Then over here is another little obstacle. It's got some different angled lines for tires follow. And I transplanted some little plants around it. They're not doing so well, but even dead, they're gonna look like kind of cool to scale plants around there. And then this footpath, I wanted to get done first before really building out too much of the course. So that's done. So what I have left to do is, build out a bunch more of the rock sections here, use all those rocks down at the bottom, and build out a few more obstacles, maybe some off to the side so you can kind of pick and choose which one you want to do. I'm thinking up here, just above this obstacle, is where I'm going to put some gravel. I got this bag of gravel instead of using beads, so it looks a little more natural. I'm sure it's not going to be as slippery as beads, but I don't want plastic all over my yard. I'm going to use this flexible duct pipe to make a little upwards curving tunnel. I'll cover it in concrete, sort of like that obstacle up there. Some random stuff I've been collecting. This little dried out yucca flower, looks like a dead tree. And I found this old rusty piece of metal that to scale looks like a big metal beam, so that's pretty cool. And saving like some old kebab sticks that, you know, make fence posts or something. All right, that's it for the update. I'm gonna go back inside and work on some indoor course stuff. I'm also gonna be doing a video about how to restore a cowboy tub that's getting all rusty, so stay tuned for that. It's too hot out here. I'll catch you guys later.